Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to our first Excellence Assembly of the new academic year. Can I just start by saying a very warm welcome back to you all. Thank you for joining us today as we celebrate the excellence of the children at Featherston Primary School. As you can imagine, things are a little bit different at the moment in school, but it is wonderful to have their voices back in the school and to see them happy playing with their friends as we start the reconnection and restoration process for all children. I'm absolutely thrilled with the way the year has started and would like to take this opportunity to thank you for all your support so far, for bearing with us as we've modified drop-off and collection arrangements. We'll continue to review how those are going over the coming weeks. One of the things that's really important to us at the school is to acknowledge the hard work of the children, and we want to try and do this as much as possible. It's lovely when we can meet together to celebrate this excellence as a family, but unfortunately at the moment, as you know, we can't welcome you into school. We do, however, want to continue celebrating this with you, and we'll aim to produce a video each week to celebrate those excellences within the school. This Excellence Assembly will be a little bit longer as we look to celebrate some of the successes of lockdown, and also we've spent some time this week giving the children the certificates they so rightly deserved from last year. Here we have a lovely photo of the children in Bumblebee class who worked really hard last year during lockdown. So Mrs Osborne, Mrs Grace, Miss Hugan and Miss Finn. We're really proud of the excellent learning you celebrated with them and shared. A big well done for all your certificates that we can see you so proudly holding just there. Now the children in our class last year, Miss Hughes and Mrs Taylor were very, very proud of all your achievements during lockdown learning. There was lots of lovely things happening on DB Primary, keeping us up to date with what you were up to and making sure that you were all happy and healthy. And you very rightly deserve each and every certificate that you are holding in your hands there. A big well done from all of us. Dear class last year, lots and lots of certificates given out to you. Lovely to see you all back and looking so happy. Otter class last year also celebrated many achievements during the lockdown period, with a good number of children there being awarded their Excellence Awards for their home learning. And Fox Club class, who have now moved up and graduated into Fox class and become our lead learners in the school. Well done for all your good learning during lockdown. We are very proud of you. You may remember in our last assembly on the 22nd of July, we also handed out our Learners of the Year. Here you can see Aggie and Maya from Bumblebee class, Harrison and Indy Ray from Owl class, Albert and Joshua from Deer class, Isabella and Rudy from Otter class, and Caitlin from Fox Club class last year, who were all nominated by their class teams for their excellent learning, not just during lockdown, but also at the start of the year when we met together. A huge well done to you all. We are very, very proud of you. Now moving on to this year, we have a brand new group of children in Bumblebee class who have been with us for just 8 days. But those 8 days have been filled with lots of learning, reconnection and establishing friendships with their classmates, and also getting used to the school routines. We are so proud of the way they have settled in at this challenging time. Well done to you, to all of you in fact. But there are 2 children who have stood out above everybody else this week. The first of those is Rex. Rex, you have settled into Bumblebee class like a superstar. You are always kind, helpful and polite. You've also been a wonderful and caring friend. What a fantastic start to your life in primary school, Rex. So a big well done from your team of Mrs Osborne and Miss Finn. Our second award of the week in Bumblebee class goes to Ava for always trying her best with all activities and being a wonderful helper around the classroom. You've been a kind friend, like always letting others play with you and encouraging them to join in with your games. Keep it up, Ava. It's lovely to welcome you to Featherston Primary School. So, our class this year. Our first award of the week for our class goes to Dolly. Dolly, this week I heard Mrs Moss skipping down the corridor and absolutely buzzing about this. You have made a fantastic return to school and you've settled so well and you are always striving to do your best. You've accepted every challenge that's coming your way, from your writing sentence about your holidays to counting in tens and ones in maths. Your perseverance has been a sight to behold. Keep it up, Dolly, all year. You have blown us away. Mrs Moss was particularly impressed with your writing this week, as have been Mrs Green, Mrs Grace and Miss Hugan. Our second award of the week in our class goes to Mia. who has settled well at Bedston Primary School after joining us just last Wednesday. She's shown us her lovely smile and is gaining confidence every single day. You've demonstrated an excellent attitude towards your learning. You've been trying your best, particularly in reading, writing excellence lessons, where you've been blending and showing us your beautiful handwriting. Keep it up, Mia. Your team of Mrs Green, Mrs Moss, Mrs Grace and Miss Hoogan are very proud of you, and a huge welcome to Bedston Primary School. Moving on to Dear Class. First of all, let's welcome Mr Cook, who has joined us this year. It's great you've become part of our team, and we look forward to working with you over the coming months as you establish Dear Class. This week, Mr Cook and Mrs Simpson have been particularly impressed with Harrison for the excellent effort you've shown in all your work this week, and for demonstrating to others how to follow all the class rules appropriately. You've already shown just what a fantastic role model we had last year, and that's carried on again into this year. So a big well done to you, Harrison. The second celebration this week is for Indy Ray, who has shown brilliant enthusiasm for all your learning and listening well to advice and setting a fantastic example to others by following the class rules perfectly. A huge well done to you as well, Indy Ray. Now moving to Otter class this week. Our first award of the week goes to Albert. Albert, your continued love of learning is showing through, and you've certainly carried on from being one of our learners of the year last year. You've shown great enthusiasm in your learning and in your play. It's been a delight to hear your thoughtful answers in class and see you trying your absolute hardest in everything you've tried throughout the day. Well done, Albert, from Mrs Solomon and Miss Mexter. The second award of the week goes to Lucy for every day entering school with a bright and cheerful smile that lights up the classroom. You're always focused on your learning and you participate eagerly in all the subjects, no matter how hot and tired they get in their classroom. Lucy is always ready to help. Mrs Solomon and Miss Mexter have been able to rely on her to keep things running smoothly. A big thank you to you, Lucy. Well done and keep it up. Now, this year we've expanded and we've introduced Badger class, which is lovely to see. So we have a full class of Year 5 children. The first award of the week goes to Violina for the confidence with which you've returned to school. You've participated in class discussions and worked really well with your partner. The team of Miss Bennett and Mrs Smith have been particularly impressed with your geography work, describing and drawing maps, so well done to you and keep it up all year. The second award of the week goes to Kitty, who joined us during lockdown. It's been lovely to finally welcome Kitty into our school properly. The ease in which you've adjusted to life at Bedston Primary School, Kitty, has been just incredible to see. You spent time getting to know your friends and have actively participated in all lessons. Miss Bennett and Mrs Smith were particularly impressed with your talking on a solo role in the performance of Wind in the Willows. Well done and welcome to Bedston Primary School from everybody here. We look forward to seeing you develop over the coming months. Now moving into our oldest children in the school, our new Year 6 children are part of our Fox class. Mr Clark and Mrs Taylor have been very impressed with the way you've all settled in. You had a bit of a head start by coming back early to school, and that certainly has shown through in your learning this term. First award of the week goes to Joe. Joe, you have made an excellent positive attitude towards your studies on your return to school. You were away during lockdown with everyone else, but you've been particularly enthusiastic in contributing to English lessons. It's great to see your self-confidence is increasing each and every day, so well done and keep that up. Very, very proud of you in your classroom. The second award of the week goes to Lou Rose for her excellent positive attitude towards her studies on the return to school following absence during lockdown. You've put in extra effort into your math lessons, working with numbers up to 10 million. And we're pleased to see that you're becoming increasingly confident in your own ability. Lou Rose, it's really important to believe in yourself because your staff team in the classroom believe in you. So well done and keep it up. Now we know that children in our school also take part in lots of activities outside school which have been restricted recently. So we're really keen to celebrate anything that goes on outside of our building. So please do email these into our family address and we'll share just as many of those as we possibly can.
Come on, chicken! Good girl! Yeah, come on, Mark! Yeah! Well done! Good girl!
Of Abigail's Footsteps, which is a charity that supports neonatal death and stillborn families. Sophie, it's incredible the work you have put in. I think we should also say a big well done to Dad, who ran alongside you the whole way. And here you are safely crossing the finish line after a long, long cycle, so well done to you and to your dad. Well done to you, Sophie, cruising across the finish line with a big, beautiful smile on your face that we enjoy seeing in school each and every day. Now, since coming back to school, we've had 4 birthdays to celebrate. Jaden came back to school on his birthday, so very happy birthday to you for last week, Jaden. Phoebe Jane and Alexander and William have also celebrated their birthdays. Many happy returns. William, we know yours is tomorrow, so we hope you have a lovely day and get lots of treats from your family. Now, communication at this time is tricky, so we'll be using Parent Mail, our dedicated parent communication app, to keep in touch with you. Please do check your parent mails regularly. We will try to limit the amount of things we send out just to the most important things, but it is the best way of us getting messages out to you quickly and efficiently. You can also keep in touch with us on our website, which contains up-to-date information on all the school policies, including the risk assessments and COVID-related documents. Our Twitter page is where we like to celebrate everything that's going on in our school, and you'll already see lots of things being posted, including Challenger Troops, which started again this week. It's lovely to be able to welcome them back into the school to work with our Year 6 children. You're watching this on our YouTube channel, and we will hope to bring more videos to you over the coming weeks. If you need to communicate with the school, we'd ask that you please try to use the families@betherston.kent.sch.uk email wherever possible. We do try to keep contact on the gate strictly limited to essential items only, so we can make sure we keep your children safe crossing the road, and also to make sure it's as efficient as possible. We do really enjoy chatting to you, but at this time we just ask you support us by communicating through the office as much as possible. That's the end of our first Excellence Assembly of the year, and we look forward to bringing you many, many more over the coming weeks. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you very, very shortly. Take care and have a great weekend. Bye bye for now.